children, today we are going to start with chapter number 16, that is life of the early men. So let's study about the life of the early men. The early men lived in forests just like other animals. Some of the animals are stronger than him. He was afraid of them and did not have any weapons to protect himself from animals. Right? But difficulty, food of early men was different from what we eat today. We had to roam from one place to another in search of food. He ate fruits or roots of the plants. Sometimes he hunted animals and ate rare flesh. It was not easy for the early men to get food with hands only. Taking out roots of the plant with hands was very difficult. So early men started using stones to do this work. He even started hunting animal with stone. Stone tools की बात करें, he learned to give shape to the stones by breaking, sharpening them. The shaped stone becomes stone tool for getting this food. Slowly, early men learned to improve his tool. He looked for the stone which could be cut easily. He learned how to cut them and to make them handy. As the time passed, he learned to tie a sharp stone to wooden stick and he made a spear. Early men used leaves and barks of trees to cover his body. He also learned to dry the skin of animals और फिर वो उनको क्या करते थे, उनको क्लोथ्स बनाते. Right? Discovery of fire. He saw fire breaking out in a jungle. He was afraid of it. He found that वो तो डरा, उसको ये भी देखा कि जो एनिमल्स हैं वो भी डरते हैं आग से. So what he did not know, he could cook his food using fire. उसको पता नहीं था. क्या हुआ, वो बैठे थे रॉ में खाते, वो उस पे जाके गिर गया फायर में, वो क्या हो गया, बुन गया. This discovery of fire could be made by rubbing two stones or two. So how he discovered fire? By rubbing two stones and two bamboo sticks, he learned to illuminate caves. He used fire for warmth in winter. ठीक है, burning of log could be carried from one place to another, so he used fire to protect himself from animal. As the passage of time, he learned to cook food. He came to know that cooked food was soft and more tasty. So he used to eat fruits, food grains, and roots that grow onwards, and he used to throw away the seeds after eating the fruits. He noticed that after a period of time, root seeds grow into new plants. Early men began to collect seeds and spread them on the soft stretches. Slowly, he started digging dirt with stone tool to sow the seed. He began the tilling of the land and he started building wooden plow. Early men had to learn domesticate animal even before he began farming. Dog was the first animals to be domesticated. Bullocks and horses used for farming. Cow, buffaloes, goat gave milk. ये हम क्या खाते थे? Meat of these animals. And the skin was used for clothing. Sheep were reared for wool and he used horses, bullocks, donkey, camels to carry load. Right? These were some animals इनका हम use करते थे loads carry करते. So the early man started farming with the help of animal. He produced more food grains and started storing it. He lived in the houses built near the farm. Small villages came into existence, better protected and children were well looked. The life of men due to farming and keeping animals, he did not have to move from one place to another in search of. Right? Discovery of houses and habitation. A number of such houses made near each other formed habitation. So most of them were near river. Families living in these habitation could get water for drinking and irrigation easy. So they could find fish in the river which was used as food. So when a stable society emerged, men started farming on large scale. Population increased, so many people could not live under the one roof and could not work on the same. So now they started living in separate houses, worked on separate farm. The house and farm become personal and private property, but the village had to remain united. Rules frame करेगा ये कुछ. As the thinking skills of early man increased, he started to produce goods. Exchange of things or trade started. At this stage, what happened? Need of other means to travel and means of carrying goods to distant places become strong. The early men must have observed the wood floats on water. He used cross the river log of wood. He soon found that hollow trunk of trees floated easily. They gave him the idea of tying together these trunks, and this is how first boat was invented, and they were used to transport heavy loads. और ये क्या करते थे? Heavy loads को transport करते थे across the river. Right? Discovery of wheel. Later, rafts were made by tying logs of wood together, but traveling and transporting heavy loads on land was still difficult. So the early man pushed and pulled the sledge himself. He used animal to do this, but it was difficult to move the sledge. Right? So what happened? Sometimes later the early man saw a round log of wood कि वो hills पे से roll down करते हुए आ रहा था. तो उनसे इसको ये idea मिलता है, and now he could move easily cart uneven ground. And there was the first wheel. Now traveling on land become easier and fast. Early men also invented pottery for making pots with clay. It is in just even today. The invention of the wheel is considered the landmark in the history of men. भीम बेटका केव जो थी वो फेमस पेंटिंग है जो अर्ली मैन पहले करते थे. कहाँ देखने को मिलती है? एमपी. The early men discovered that some of these stones could be melted to give metal. Iron and copper were probably the first metal too. He made sharp and strong tools. And for clearing jungles, the discovery of metal was another big leap towards progress. Early men continued to make progress and made his life comforting. Right? He developed now means of transport like bicycle, tonga, scooter, bus, car, train, ship, and air. This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.